Hey Internet, my name is Mar and we're here to give away a coupon code today. We're going to give away 3 lucky winners, the employee favorite sample pack. And if you don't think you can wait, you can always check out this link and see that sample pack on our website and peruse all the other options we have. So to enter this giveaway, you're going to need to like this video, share with some friends, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment down below with your favorite cult classic movie. So again, all you need to do to enter this giveaway is like this video, share with some friends, subscribe to this channel, and comment down below with your favorite cult classic movie. Mine's Rocky Horror Picture Show.
Watching Clockwork Orange?
I haven't watched that one yet. I want to though. I really do. My boyfriend's super into it, so it's on like my list. It's British as hell, dude. Yeah, that is a British book. I've tried to read it before, and you can't. The slang, it's kind of like. Did you ever do Trainspotting, the Scottish one about heroin? Oh my god, that's a really good movie and a good book. If you like Ewan McGregor, you should check that one out. But that one is so Scottish that like I can't watch the movie. I just can't understand them. Oh, of course. A lot of those horror movies are considered cult classics.